Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to connect your Facebook page and your WhatsApp account. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to connect your Facebook page and your WhatsApp account, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after opening your Facebook account, you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the three line icon, and after that you can see your page available over here just below your username, or you can tap on the pages. Let's go from the pages, and after that you will find every page of yours over here. Let's tap on our page, and now to connect our page to the WhatsApp account, you can see the settings icon on the top right corner of our screen. Tap over there, and after that you can see the WhatsApp option available over here just below the Instagram on the middle side of your screen. Tap on WhatsApp, and after that enter your number over here which is connected to your WhatsApp account. For me it will be this one, and send code to WhatsApp, and let's wait for it to arrive. And it has arrived, and let's enter it, and let's tap on done, and let's tap on not now, and it's done. And you can see the WhatsApp tools, and let's go back. And there guys, this is how you connect your Facebook page to your WhatsApp account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.